Hey guys, it's Kenyon from the Swear Car Company, and today I have a Volvo XC60 Dynamic for you from 2017. It's a crystal white pearl metallic color and has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine underneath the hood that gets 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Down here we have nice and big 18-inch alloy wheels. I'll let you guys check out the side of the car. Some nice chrome highlights. As we come around back, you can see the backup camera. All right, let's open up the trunk. Here we go. Let's move around to the other side. Let's go check out the interior. This is the interior of the Volvo XC60 Dynamic. As you can see, there are steering wheel controls as well as voice controls on the right side. This car is equipped with navigation, a super useful feature. As we move down to the control panel, you can see we have dual zone atmospheric control as well as blind spot information right there. Parking assist, a nice shifter. It's easy to use. Check out the passenger side and the coloration of the seats. There's a 12-volt down here by the cup holders. There's also an awesome moonroof up here. Here's the SOS e-call. And let's open the moonroof real quick. Really nice. It's really nice and long. Super convenient. And here's the back seats. In conclusion, you guys, this is a great car. It's a one-owner vehicle with only 25,000 miles on it. Has the remainder of its warranty on it, and it doesn't have any scratches and dents. Come check it out at the Swear Car Company today.